It's alright guys, and welcome back to my channel once again guys. Today in this video we'll be looking into the top 8 way to make money online. We started this I think on Saturday, and then we started this on Friday, and then we have mentioned the top 10, which is starting the drop shipping, and then the second one which is print on demand, and then today we are going into the top 8 one, which is affiliate marketing. Most of our people over there, we don't like affiliate marketing because most of the times affiliate marketing just based on, it's based on getting referrals and something like that, to be able to get what we want, and then that is not what affiliate marketing is all about. We can make a very good income with affiliate marketing if we persist and consist on whatever the business plan that is given to us. And then we have like some offline affiliate marketing like New Life. This is a New Life product now. I am doing an affiliate business with New Life that make me to purchase this product and be able to sell it out at a very high price of my own, and for that I'm able to get some profit from this product, and on the other side as well I get paid for another stuff with New Life as well. So guys, I'm going to explain affiliate marketing for you guys, and as well as network marketing, because it's like both of them are really really have something in common together. So I'm going to show you guys everything that has to do with it today. So guys, all you have to do is just to watch this video to the end, stay to the end to understand. So guys, here we are now trying to check the best affiliate marketing website for ourselves. You can see we have the 19 best affiliates website over here. We have the Referencing, the affiliates, the Post, Affiliates Pro, the Tunes, and then the everyone as well. Guys, about all these websites, I think I have a very good idea about this Share a Sale website, because I think I have worked with it, and I was able to to cut something good from them. So guys, if you're trying to to start something with affiliate marketing website like this, you should be able to to stand for yourself and be able to do whatever you think it is good for yourself before you'll be able to make money with any affiliate website over there. So if you're trying to do a business with affiliate marketing, it is very simple. It's just that they have a product already. Product is not their problem, they have the product already, but what matters is that they need someone to be able to sell that product for them, and then if you're ready to sell the product for them, they will be able to give you a discount, or should I say give you your own share of the profits of whatever you sold. For example, now we have JVZoo, we have our ClickBank, and JVZoo as an example is a very good example of an affiliate marketing website, because they have the product over there, and then they told you, okay, this product is $100. If you sell this product at $100 rates and then you come back to us, we will give you $40 of what you have sold. So that is very good. Out of $100 you gain $40 on just one product, and you can earn more from it if you put in your time more like them with them like this. So you can see over here now, over here we can try to grow our branch reach, become an agent partner, and partner with the brand that you love as well. So these are what I think this website is all about, as you guys could see right here on my screen like this. So guys, let us try to become a merchant to sign up with them. So we go to the to, let's say, affiliate sign up. If you're trying to sign up with affiliate sign up, that means you're trying to refer something, because when you're talking about affiliate, it means that you are ready to refer some people into the website, like, okay, come over here and join me, just as some network marketing business out there work as well. So once you sign up into this stuff like this, guys, I really advise you guys just to go into there and then pick a product that it will be easy for you to get customer to buy, and then once you are able to sell that product, and then you will get your own commission of the payment, and then from there you'll be able to good, and then you'll be able to to live your life to the way that you want it with the product that you have sold online like that. So guys, all I have to show you in my video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with any of your friends who might be in need of help. And please don't forget to drop a comment if you have any other question to ask me. I'll be happy to reply to your question. I also do a new video for you if that is what we are gonna do for you. So guys, till we meet, stay home and stay safe. Don't forget to do this and then sign up with every step that has been mentioned in the video above and below. Thank you guys.